Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to play music in Amazon Shopping on computer. So how to play music in Amazon Shopping on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Amazon application on your computer or laptop browser. And this is the initial display on Amazon Shopping. Next, just point the cursor to the upper left corner of the screen. Here there are several menus. And tap the Account and List menu here. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap on the music library below itself. Now a menu like this will appear. Select the country and then tap Accept. Next you will enter this menu. Select some of your favorite artists. Then tap Done. Here you will enter the music library menu. This is the initial display. Select the music you want to play. So this application is not only for my shopping but can also play music. So that's it, the tutorial how to play music in Amazon Shopping on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.